Today I'm gonna cook 4 different dishes using salmon. I'm using Salmon for tartar, back of the salmon for salmon rice, mid spine part for salmon pasta, and belly for soy sauce marinated salmon. The first dish I'm gonna cook is soy sauce marinated salmon. Sliced salmon. Thinner you slice, shorter the marinade time. Slice 1 lemon. And 2 chili. Large diced onion. About half cup of soy sauce and 1 cup of Coke. Few slices of ginger. Into the marinade, about half of lemon, chili, and onion that is cut and ready. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Pour the marinade for 20 minutes in a medium heat. Chill it in the fridge until it's cold enough. Marinate for 4 hours. When salmon absorbs the flavor, it's time to flake. Garnish with green onion and sesame oil. Next dish is salmon tartar. Cut salmon and apple in small dice. Chopped dill, mix everything with mayo and lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper. Top it on cracker. And garnish with caper. Very simple and delicious salmon tartar. Next is salmon pasta. Cut salmon in medium dice. Full fusilli. Stir fry minced garlic and chili flake. Add diced salmon. When salmon slightly cooked, deglaze with cooking wine and a little bit of lemon juice. When pasta is ready, saute with salmon. Add butter and pasta water, saute it thoroughly. Add caper for extra kick. Garnish with dill. Lastly, the salmon rice. Slice green onion. 2 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of tsuyu. Rinse the rice, stir fry in the pot. Add the tsuyu water. While rice is cooking, sear salmon lightly in a very hot pan. Add seared salmon on rice and cook it for 10 more minutes. Garnish with sliced green onion. This is my 4 different ways to cook salmon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.